I just want to say I'm sorry.
Hold up, I got a confession.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank y'all for tuning into this video. In today's video, I have a tutorial on you guys how I arch my eyebrows at home. I usually arch my eyebrows, I want to say every 2 to 3 weeks, depending on how much growth I have. What I will be using in this video is, of course, an eyebrow razor. I got this from my local beauty supply store for, I believe, around 50 cents or to $1. Very inexpensive. So yeah, we're just going to jump straight into this tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm just going to take a little bit of witch hazel to clean my eyebrows off. So I have a clean surface to work with. And I don't have any makeup on my eyebrows. I am wearing makeup, but just I don't have any on my eyebrows. So what I like to do is I like to go in at an angle like this, and I like to just go in a downwards motion to really like shave off any hairs that I don't want. And I'm going to be keeping my natural shape. This is really like just a cleanup for me because I don't have much to really get rid of. And this is 100% painless. Let me get my spoolie to brush it out a little bit. Forgot to tell you guys, you're also going to need one of these. These just help with like brushing, so you can really see the hairs that need to go. Just like that. I have to be really careful because I'm trying to keep my arch. Underneath my eyes gets a little bit tricky. I rotate the blade in this direction where it's facing upwards, and I just go in an upwards motion. Just like that. And then I'm also going to flip back and go downwards just to get the hairs that I couldn't get just now. Okay, and this brow is pretty much done. Really quick and simple. I'm going to try to give you guys the comparison between this brow and this brow. Okay. This is the brow that is cleaned up, and this is the brow that I have not done yet. I don't know if you guys can like really see a difference because, like I said, this is a touch-up for me. But moving on, going to be brushing this brow out and doing the same exact thing, going in a downwards motion. Okay, moving on to the bottom. Okay, so I'm pretty much done. Now, of course, you might not be able to get every single hair that you want to get with the razor, so what I have to do is go in with my tweezers and just pluck anything that I see is out of place. But I really don't see anything, so I'm just gonna skip that step. Okay guys, so that was a pretty quick tutorial. I really hope I helped someone out. This is a very cheap and inexpensive way versus going to the salon and paying about $10 to $15 for eyebrows. You can pick you up one of these from the beauty supply store for about 50 cents and you can do your own eyebrows at home. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all next time.